Today we're going to replace our old worn out headlights in our Chrysler 300. As you can see, our old ones look like this, and there's not much we can do to get that off, so we're going to replace them with new OEM replacement headlights. For changing out our headlights, these are the tools you'll need: a flathead screwdriver, you need a ratchet, extension, and an 8mm and 10mm socket. We're going to have to take the bumper off of the car in order to replace the two headlights. First thing we want to do is take these clips out here so we can have access to behind the bumper, so we can unhook the side light and also our fog light down here. And we also need it to be off because we need to get the bumper off the car. Just like most of these 300s, you should just have some clips in here, and ours just pop right out. So once we get this pulled out of the way, there's a 10mm bolt right here, and you'll need a ratchet, extension, and your socket for a 10mm bolt right up here. We'll just don't forget to turn your wheel. We don't have a lift. We're doing this in our garage on a flat surface. So you'll have to turn your tires facing in order to get to your bolt over here. On the other side, turn your tire facing in to do that. And you can probably see right here, this is the fog light. And we're just gonna unclip that. So you're just gonna unclip the fog light. And then over here is the side marker. And that just comes right out. You can see it right here. And mine had a little red clip in here, which I popped out. It was right on the bottom here. I popped that out. So now your side marker's out. So you have 4 bolts, or actually they're clips right here. Unfortunately for us, our clips did not come out as we had planned. The tops were just it was so old that they were just stuck in there. So I was able to get the tops and just bust them off, basically. So we'll have to buy 3 new clips. We have 1 that came out okay. There's 1. So we got our clips off, and now we're going to take the 10mm off this side here. Okay. All right, so we're just going to do the fog light on this one. For this one, I couldn't get the clip to come off. It was a bad angle for me, so I just twisted it out as if I was going to replace the bulb. It works just the same. All right, now I think we're ready to pull the bumper down and out. It's easier than I thought. All right, now you take your bumper off. The 300s. They actually have a panel underneath the vehicle that prevents water and stuff from coming up. Ours happened to be removed. So you'll notice there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 screws, and one of them is still in here, that you'll have to undo if you want to take the whole bottom off, if you want to take the whole bumper off. If not, I would still suggest that you could just still do the top and then lower it down on a box or something. We've done that at previous times on our PT Cruisers. So we have 3 screws that hold the light in. There's 1 down here, right here. And there's 1 up here and 1 up here. And we'll take our 8mm and start with this one. now we just gotta pull it off. And we're gonna need our light bulbs from here, so we're just gonna twist it to where they come out. Headlight. There's little holes. There's a little hole right here. You can line your light up. So there's one here and one here. And now you just screw them back in. All right, one down, one to go. Now we'll work on the other side. This will be the right side of the car. We've already removed the light on the left side of the car, and we're just gonna reverse the process. And this is the other side, the right side of the car. Before we screw anything back in, as far as the bumper, we're going to test the lights and make sure they work. Turn signal, high beams. Now we have the new headlights in. It's time to put the bumper back on. And the grille. So this will slide in right here, just like that. Okay. Same thing on this side. Let's get it up a little bit. And now put the 10mm bolt back in right up here. On both sides. And now we're securing the left side with the 10mm bolt back, the bumper back into the frame. Okay, put that one in. Okay. That's how you replace your headlights on your Chrysler 300, 2005 to 2010. Hope this helps. If it does, click the like button and please subscribe to our videos to see how we can help you with some more car repairs. Thanks.